Everybody, this is the trade that Oliver took here as part of the first week of the Trader Simulation Bootcamp. The result was a nice big R multiple. Well, one good trade per week is enough to reach a minimum weekly R goal. So let's have a look here at the 4-chart layout. This is the pattern with the entry signal. We can nicely see how one time frame higher we've got dynamic support from the 21 moving average, and that the stop goes nicely on the other side of the 21, so it's nicely protected. We can see as well that the momentum move has just broken an important high, so we can actually expect a stop run move coming out of this. We can see that even better here on the hourly chart. This is the stop run level, and the stop run move has not yet occurred. So this is what we are trying to capitalize on, and it gives us swing potential. Now let's see what happened. This developed nicely. It's running through the stop run levels of the consolidation pattern, and it's checking out this stop run level. We can even see it on one time frame higher on the 4-hour chart. What a big green bar has emerged. So this move has capitalized right on that. It has reached the 4-hour level, and looking in hindsight, now it's always easier to look in hindsight, right? Well, we can actually see that this bar, which is the test bar, well, that has cleared the weak bulls and has lured in the overconfident short traders. This is what we call the test bar, the emotional battle, and we wait for the battle to end and go in with a rebreak of the test bar, plus the stop goes below the swing low. That's it, quickly explained. Now let's have a look what the experience was of this trader. Applying the principle of steep practice actually means that you want to re-simulate when you had some mistake or when there were some questions about a trade. So that's what he basically did. We can see that how this trader nicely applied deep practice, right? I had to review and think about the swing rules several times. Then this swing turned into a pyramid trade with second and third trade added to it. Even though I was redoing 3 trades that I already saw, that's the repetition, right? It felt like a completely different experience for me to rethink, redo, and redocument. Well done, deep practicing and growing at exponential speed.